Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. The file size limit for email attachments is still very low, ranges between 20 and 30 megabytes. On one hand, this is crazy to me as it's been this much since I basically know how to use a computer, and that's been a while. But on the other hand, it kind of makes sense since storage space is expensive, but email is free, a lot of emails are sent every day. I understand. However, occasionally it's just more convenient, or it would be more convenient to send a video clip directly through email without having to involve a third-party transfer site or use links. Well, I'll talk about these alternative methods later in the video. First, let's see how you can send a video larger than this file size limit via email. The issue is given. Your video file is larger than the file size limit. So if we can't increase the space, we'll decrease the size. We're going to use the UniConverter's compressor tool for this task. So if you don't have the tool yet, download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. After installing the software, open it up. You'll find the compressor tool up here on the home interface. And after clicking on it, import your video file you'd like to send via email. This compressor can do batch compressing as well, so in case you need to reduce the size of multiple video clips, you can do that. Furthermore, compressing audio files is also possible with this tool. In this instance, we're just going to compress one video clip here to send via email. Now, the thing is that it doesn't have to be a long video either. It can be just a minute or so filmed in 4K with your iPhone, and it will already be too large for an email attachment. So you can choose your compression settings two ways. When you have multiple files on your batch list, there is the option to select a compression ratio down here for all of the files on your batch list. But now we're going to click on the settings button right next to the video file here because we're only compressing a single file. Within this little window here, there is this slider. By moving it left and right, you can select the compression ratio. Here you can also see the estimated output file size. If you go within the advanced settings, you'll see that now it's set to variable bitrate for the compression method. That's why the estimated output file size is a range here. Now, if you were to change this to constant, you'll see an exact number, which then you can decrease even more by giving it a lower bitrate. Now, a variable bitrate will ensure the best quality file size ratio, while with a constant, you may get the smallest file size, but with no quality guarantee. So I leave it as variable as well as everything else on the default settings here because it's optimized for the best results. So set the ratio low enough so that the bigger value here fits within our 25 megabyte limit, and then click on OK. Before clicking on export or start all, choose an output folder for your file and then click on start all. Okay, wait until the process is finished, which should be really fast, and then you can send this via email. Let's see, here's an email draft and I can just simply attach this and voila, uploads without a problem. So while compressing video files for emails is a convenient way and your recipients will always find it among their emails, unlike a transfer link or cloud storage link where files can get lost and deleted and links can expire. When it comes to sending really large video files though, for purposes where compression is not even an option, using these alternative methods can be the way to go. I'd like to mention 3 of them that I use on a daily basis. It goes without saying that Google Drive is one of the most popular methods for sharing any files, since you can easily upload them to your 15 gigabytes of free cloud storage space, and then you can just get a link for those files that you can share with your recipients. There's even the option for transferring ownership, which if they accept, the files will be stored in their accounts and not yours, saving you storage space. These 2 sites are also very practical. Both have free and paid versions, where obviously the file size limit can change and also the expiration interval. Usually all transfer sites and cloud storage services have cheap upgrade options that expand their usability beyond what an average user needs. So that's also something to consider. Alright, that was it for today. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and if so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.